Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with a fairy to attract it to your garden and grow a garden new fairy update. Okay, let's get into it guys. When the fairy appears somewhere, message appear on your screen, you can immediately find the fairy. Okay, and the fairy is here, and then if you want to interact, just click on interact button. And if you have fairy targeter on your garden, the fairy will immediately come to your garden and give you Glimmering Mutation. Okay, and my fairy targeter is here, so I can get the Glimmering Mutation on the plants in the fairy targeter radar. Okay, and it will help you to get Glimmering Mutation even when the fairy event hasn't come to the garden. You can use the fairy targeter on your garden, and when the fairy event come to the garden, it can also help you to attract more fairies, and you will get more Glimmering Mutation on your plants. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.